Hello friends, welcome back. We will discuss the today market movement and also will predict market for the tomorrow. Yesterday we were discussing that the market is in the good mood and we were expecting that another day rally, right? But one thing I said in that video, if you have watched my video, it will be very much clear. If the market open gap down and it's not sustaining the 15,500, then there is a possibility of the bear market, because I always say from the last 10 to 20 days I'm saying there's the market in the bearish zone. So every up move will be the another bearish trend, and will this move uh, went to the selling side. So that is important. If you'll see today market, it opened gap down, and the first candle which opened almost at the 15,560 point, at least this is the point, went sharply down, and in first two candle market did its job. So in another sense, there was nothing for the buyer in this today market. Why it is so? Because if you'll see this, it's open, and we'll wait for this candle how it's behaving. Suppose that if it is you are waiting that okay, how it's behaving, and you'll find here, and if you'll enter, you will not book the profit, and your SL. Suppose that if you SL keep SL the according to the risk reward ratio, if you keep SL here, so you are not going to be in the profit in the today market, especially for the buyer, because it was in. If we'll avoid this first candle, you will find this market was in the zone. Market was in the smaller time frame, and it was less than, if you see this, it was less than 100 point, yeah, 130 point. So it's very difficult to book profit in the particular market, especially for the option buying. I'm not talking about the option selling, right? The third things we will discuss about the tomorrow market, and we have seen this friend, every movement whenever the market tried to go up, if you see here, market was in sideways, the big sharp came up, and then we have seen here again the market went to the sideways zone, and there was a up move one day, and then again we have seen this sideways market. So there is a two possibility for tomorrow market, because tomorrow is expiry. It is highly expected that the market will be the sideways market. Because most of the expiry market behave in a sideways, because of the buyer and sellers behavior. Whenever the premium gets high, so the seller sell that premium. Whenever the premium gets low, the buyers buy this premium. So because of this conflict, most of the time on the expiry, it become the sideways market. The second concept for the sideways market is that, if you see this area, market stood in this area for 2 days, means there is a non-decisive place. I mean to say, there is a buyer and seller, both are confused in this market. So it will be difficult, because there are these some of the group of buyer and sellers who will wait for the market to give the direction. And if the market will come in this particular zone, it is more likely to be in the sideways. In the sideways, it is also possible that, because it may work as a strong support, it is also possible that we will see this approx 200 point upper movement, or it is going to be in the sideways. If market open gap down, as tomorrow is expiry and international market and all those market, the price hike, inflation's working from the long time, and it will impact the economy. It will impact the economy. Inflation is not a 2 3 weeks task, right? It will take time, and it will impact the economy. So if the market went open gap down, we will see that the possibility of the market will work at this, at least this is because this is a strong support. So this will become crucial if the market open gap down. So we will wait for this section. If we will work for here, if the market open gap down, we will target for the 15,200. If the market open beat up, of course we will go for the selling, and probably it will be the sideways market. There is a less of chances of market that it will go up or become bullish. And if it is open and taken support from here, so we will target for this 5,000, 15,600. This will be the target in the bullish side, while in the bearish side, if it is open gap down, we will see this strong support and we will work here, that is 15,200. And this is very strong support. Why it is so? Because if market will break this, there will be higher chances that market will break the 15,000, which market would not like to break in the shorter period of time. Of course market may break that 15,000, but I think the market will take time to break the 15,000. At least 3 to 4 days market should work above this level. So with this, thank you so much, and please keep subscribing and liking this video.